Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer network. The price line of Celer is almost moving at the same level where we left it when I posted my last video. However, there is a very major and big signal flash, the bullish signal, buying signal flashed on the daily time frame, which I want to show you in today's video, and that is an open alligator formation of the simple moving averages that can start a very big move from here. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. So let's begin the analysis, and first of all I would like to show you this chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon on October 2, and I also shared with you as well. And here the Celer network on 2nd of October broke out this resistance of the falling wedge that was formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And after this breakout, we can expect the price line can hit the tail of this triangle, this falling wedge that is approximately at $19.2, 19.2 cents, and the stop loss can be 13.5 cents. If we will have a complete closing below this level, then we can consider that the stop loss has been triggered. And here we also have a very nice support. You can see previously it has been breaking as a support here and as a support before this breakout. This recent low was at 13.5. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line again move down, move up, and moving sideways here. Now if we move to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here the price line is moving between 15.5 cents to 14 cent support and resistance levels. And previously I told you that we have very strong support here at 14 cents, and you can see that previously it has been breaking as a resistance here and as a support here as well. However, for this trade, our stop loss is at 13.5 because this is our recent swing low. However, if we talk about the price level support, then here we have the support at 14 cents, and the price line is not able to break down this support. Here for a while the price line broke down this support and moved at 13.5 cents before the breakout. Here the price line moved at $13.5, 13.5 cents. Now after 15.5, this will be our final resistance at 19.2, and this is exactly the sell targets of this falling wedge as well. That is the tail of this falling wedge, and after this big breakout, I'm expecting soon the price line can hit this sell target. But if I place the volume profile on the complete price action, moving between 15.5 to 14 cents, and after placing this volume profile, if I zoom the chart out, then there is a critical thing that we have this area. You can see this is the area where the traders are mostly trading Celer network, and this is the area above this line. You can see here it is least traded area of Celer network. Therefore we have more pressure at the support than resistance, and we also have this point of control of the volume profile very close to the support. However, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, here we have a very major development, and that is we already had this 25 simple moving average above all, then 50, then we had 200, and then 100. Now we have the 100, this red line above 200 simple moving average. This yellow line is below 100 simple moving average. Now we have a complete open alligator mouth formation by the simple moving averages on the daily time frame. We have the smallest time frame moving average above all, then we have the biggest time frame 200 simple moving average below all, as it was formed here. You can see when we had this open alligator mouth formation, and when this 100 simple moving average crossed up this 200, then we had a complete open alligator mouth formation here, and then we had a very nice rally. Same as like that, we also have another open alligator mouth formation below the price line that can work as a very long-term support for the price line. And you can see that previously we were watching that the price line was likely to form the sub channel. Still the candlesticks are being accumulated at the support, and I'm expecting that it will be a complete up channel and we can have another reversal from here, at least up to this resistance that is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.